So in this video I'm going to be making the upper die for the first set of dies in the press die system, and I'm also going to be testing out the press die system. Okay, getting ready to make the top die. I've already done the first op. This is the second op. I didn't do the chamfer on this edge because I was afraid to hit these clamps down here. I mean, I could probably do it if I was careful, but I could just take this edge to the belt grinder, no big deal. All right, well, there it is. That is the top. Oh, you know what? I have to drill two mounting holes. I'm going to drill them. I don't think I'm going to tap them online. You know what? No, I'm just going to tap them offline. I was afraid I was going to hit the edge of this, but all right, let me drill those two holes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the dies together here. It'll look better from afar like that. Alright, so this will just go in there like that. Alright, put a couple of screws from the top. Alright, there it is. Yeah, show you what it looks like from here. Oh, that's a pretty good amount of space in there. Alright, I guess it's time to test it out. Of course, a little oversight. When I made this hole here, I didn't measure carefully. So I'm actually a hair under. So I'm going to have to reset this back up and open that up a little bit. Okay, here it is all set up on the press, all ready to go. Let it fit in there just nicely. All right, let's give this a go. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm on kind of on pins and needles now. Hopefully, this will work out good here. Still don't know what the actual shrink is going to be. Like I said, I left this pocket a little bigger. I can always machine the pocket out a hair for the stock if it needs to be a hair bigger, but just kind of try to put it in there in the middle. And right, here goes nothing. Alright, here goes. There it is. So I measured the blank from the laser cutter, and it's right on. It's like maybe a thousandth off or something. It's like right there. And then I measured this, compared the two. On the width, it's like 14 thousandths off, and on the length, it was actually only like 11 or 12 thousandths. So when you measure it with a tape measure, it's almost indistinguishable. It might look like a 64th of an inch or something like that if you look really carefully. This is actually going to have powder coating. By the time you put the powder coating on the edges, you know, what is that, like 4 or 5 thousandths? I'm not sure exactly, but I think I'm going to be good to go to use actually the same size stock as my regular flat ones. So I'm not going to have to do anything different. So, all right, awesome. You know, I've actually been dreading doing this for actually a number of years because I thought it was going to be so complicated. I thought I was going to have to actually make the curved surface on the die, and it was going to be a lot of work. And but it turned out to be a lot easier than I thought. So I don't know, kind of lesson learned. You know, if you're trying to do something and you think it's really complicated, I think a lot of the complexity is, you know, in your mind. You know, just start doing it and work through the problems. Yeah, there was problems along the way. You know, I mean, it wasn't a piece of cake, totally a piece of cake, but you know, I got through it. And all right, well, if you like this video, I'd appreciate the thumbs up. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to leave them down below. There's some other videos down below you might like to watch, and I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.